Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to mark expenses, billable, and invoice them to your customer in QuickBooks Online. This process lets you track costs you've paid on behalf of clients and quickly add them to their invoices, ensuring you get reimbursed without any hassle. Let's start by recording the expense. Head over to the left navigation panel and click on Plus New or Plus Create. From the drop-down menu, choose Expense, Bill, or Check depending on how you're entering this particular cost. Each option works similarly, so pick whichever matches your workflow. Next, enter the payee name in the field at the top. This is the vendor or person you paid for the expense. Then move down to the category column and select the relevant expense account that matches what you're recording. This keeps your books organized and ensures expenses are properly categorized. Now enter the expense amount and add a clear description. This description is important because it will appear on your customer's invoice, so make sure it explains exactly what the expense was for in a way your customer will understand. After that, look for the billable checkbox and tick it. Once you do, a customer or project field will appear. Select the customer or project you want to bill this expense to. This marks the expense as something you can later add to an invoice. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your billable expense is now recorded and ready to be invoiced. To invoice those billable expenses, go to Sales in the left navigation, then select Invoices. Click to create a new invoice for the customer you assigned the expense to. QuickBooks Online will automatically detect that there are billable expenses waiting for this customer and prompt you in the Suggestion tab of the invoice to add them. Simply click Add to include those expenses on the invoice. Before finalizing, review the expenses that were included. You can adjust amounts if needed or remove any that shouldn't be billed. Once you're satisfied, save and send the invoice to the customer. They'll now see a clear breakdown of the billable expenses you covered on their behalf. That's it. You've successfully marked an expense as billable and added it to a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.